po, tayo ng NBA parallel guys. Bukas kay laban 6 po, February 22. Yan. Dito tayo guys sa Suns versus Magic. Ang kunin natin guys yung yung parallel natin guys ay sa assist tayo guys, kunin natin yung assist. Assist guys, kunin natin guys. Kay Jalen Green tayo guys sa Suns, 3.5 over. Tapos Pelicans versus 76ers. So assist pa rin tayo guys. Yan, sana pa rin tayo guys. Kasi kay Derek Queen, 4.5 over. Yan guys. Tapos Spurs versus Kings guys. Ito yung pagsama-samay natin. Puro parallel natin guys. Assist. Lahat assist naman. Kunin natin guys yung kay Stephen Castle guys. Over 6.5 guys. Tapos Kings tayo guys versus Rockets. Ano pa rin? Tayo sa assist. Sa Kings pa rin tayo guys. Yan, kunin natin kay Jalen Brunson guys. 5 over 0.5 guys. 5.5. 1.79 yung odds. Knicks versus Rockets guys. Tapos ito yun sa Chicago Bulls versus Pistons guys. Maganda rin laban to bukas guys. Puro assist tayo guys. Kasahin natin ng kay Josh Giddey tayo guys, 5.5. Kunin natin guys, 1.77 odds guys. Yan, tingnan natin ito guys. Lalabas yung market ng player guys. Points pa rin. So Miami Heat versus Grizzlies guys. Kay kunin natin guys yung kay Andrew Wiggins, 2.5 over. Yan, bit natin guys. Yun yung odds natin guys, 60.94. Tayo ng 25. Ang tama natin guys ay 1,223.74. Guys, pumasok na tayo natin. Check natin. Ayan guys, yun na. Yan ang tayo natin guys.